Green.
And I'm Nemi.
And this is our project from Research Period 1 Science.
We're going to do a rap song
on biochemistry. This ain't no theory, ain't no lie, these are all the facts that I'm about to rhyme.
On my homies in the bag, they make organic compounds.
Hydrogen,
oxygen,
carbon,
nitrogen,
phosphorus,
sulfur.
Miller and Urey were very smart guys, but when they tried to make the atmosphere, they lacked hydrogen sulfide.
They made something cool though, the first organic compound, amino acids. Holla at me, bro! Yo, Ashkash, what's a valence electron?
Valence electrons are in the outermost shell, but listen to me. I've got something to tell. The endosymbiotic theory has 4 evidences.
And they are supported by mitochondria and chloroplasts.
1.
Double membranes. 2.
Their DNA is in plasmid form. 3.
They have ribosomes. 4.
Binary fission is how they reproduce. Ionic covalent and hydrogen bonds are something very complicated, but I will carry on. Ionic being gaining or losing electrons, they also form ions.
Covalent is the sharing of electrons, and they are also the strongest
bond. Hydrogen are the weakest bond. They stick together, but they ain't no chemical bond. Dehydration synthesis, listen to this. When 2 monomers join, they form H2O. Those monomers make up polymers, yo. What is hydrolysis, Nemi?
It's when an H2O comes between a polymer and then they separate into 2 monomers. Carbohydrates give quick energy, and this is stored in the CH bonds.
Carbs have monosaccharides, which are monomers, disaccharides, which are polymers, polysaccharides, which are also polymers.
Monosacs and disacs taste very sweet. On the other hand, polysacs taste starchy.
Speaking of starch, there are 2 of those. One is glycogen and the other cellulose.
Next comes proteins, and the 4 functions are: they transport substances that go very far.
Chemical reactions are controlled by enzymes, and if you got the time, then listen to this rhyme.
They regulate cell processes and make sure that the hormones in the body balances. Proteins are polymers, but they also have amino acids, which are monomers.
They have carboxyl, amine, and R groups, which determine the type of amino groups. They are also joined by peptide bonds, and a lot of these make polypeptide bonds.
Next are lipids. You gotta know them all. They're made up of fatty acids and glycerol. There are 3 fatty acids that I'm gonna put down.
Saturated, they got the most CH bonds in town. You can spread it on toast or on a pancake that's round.
Unsaturated has 1 CC bond, but it's found in liquid form. Polyunsaturated has multiple bonds, multiple CC bonds, and they're the healthiest, so feed this to your guests.
That's all the fatty acids, so let's go on to nucleic acids. The monomer is called the nucleotide, so let's go on with the ride. The RNA is the chef, which is called the ribose, and the DNA is the recipe, which is called the deoxyribose. It has a nitrogen base, a phosphate group, and 5 carbon sugars. That's a monomer.
This is the end of the rap, and we're ready to nap.
This has been Miss Singed.
Shout out to Miss Ridge!
We love you. Just keep going. Wait, we can have us laughing it.
Literally threw it on the ground.
I'm done. No, I put a star.
Okay,
Let's just go.
Oh, okay. What?
Okay.
Okay.